Hello guys, in this video I am going to share a special feature of a newly launched Android smartphone, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Lots of people have this question in their mind, how do I check the hardware of Asus Max Pro M1? Well, Asus has hidden this feature inside. So I will tell you how to go there. Go to the home screen and open calculator from the menu. Type 0.12345. Remember, it's important to start with decimal point. Then click on plus and then click on equal to. Voila! Here it is. The test menu. You can see test all and single test option. So now let us do a single test. Let's say you want to test the speaker. Click on it and the phone plays the music to test the speaker. At the end of it, you will see two options, pass or fail. Click on pass if it's working. Then go back and you will see a tick on speaker test. Like this, you can test each function of the phone here. If you go back to the test screen, you get test all option. If you select test all, phone would test each function one by one. So try it. Please like, share and subscribe Inversely Crazy for more. See you again.